Well, a while back I did a video saying I wasn't going to put my action camera on my Skyview mount and that I was going to use GoPros. But the GoPros run out of power a little bit too quickly for my liking, so I've gone back to using the action camera, which runs off a car battery that I have in the shed, which is kept topped up by that solar panel. It won't be topped up enough to power the camera directly, but it will help to top the battery up when we've finished. Yeah, it's quite a current draw. Anyway, that's been going for, I don't know, about 7 hours I expect, 6 or 7 hours. Hopefully it'll last the rest of the day. What it won't do, that the GoPro does do, is nighttime lapse. GoPro's got its own little setting for night lapse, as it calls it. So this is daytime only. Also, only during the dry time, because that was another reason for not using my action camera. If it rains, it gets wet, whereas the GoPro is waterproof. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.